Thank you, students. We know that for every 275 meter of altitude, atmospheric pressure decreases by 2.5 centimeter Hg column. The atmospheric pressure decreases with the increase of altitude. এটাকে আমরা কাজে লাগিয়ে আমরা কোনো কিছু জায়গার হাইট মেজারমেন্ট করি। For example, the atmospheric pressure at ground floor and the top floor are 75.2 cm Hg and 74.5 cm Hg respectively. Find the height of the building. অর্থাৎ বিল্ডিংয়ের গ্রাউন্ড ফ্লোরে অ্যাটমসফেরিক প্রেশার হচ্ছে 75.2 সেন্টিমিটার আর টপ ফ্লোরে অ্যাটমসফেরিক প্রেশার হচ্ছে 74.5 সেন্টিমিটার। তাহলে ওই বিল্ডিংয়ের হাইট কত? ফার্স্ট অফ অল ইউ হ্যাভ টু ফাইন্ড হোয়াট ইজ দ্য প্রেশার ডিফারেন্স বিটুইন দ্য টপ ফ্লোর অ্যান্ড দ্য গ্রাউন্ড ফ্লোর। ইট ইজ দ্য 75.2 minus 74.5 equal to 0.7 centimeter. We know that for 2.5 centimeter Hg pressure difference happens when the altitude is 275 meter altitude. Now take a unitary method. For 1 centimeter Hg pressure difference for 275 divided by 2.5 meter altitude, but your pressure difference is 0.7 centimeter. Therefore 0.7 centimeter Hg pressure difference for 275 by 2.5 into 0.7. After calculation you get it is 77 meter. This 77 meter the pressure difference will be 0.7 Hg. So the height of the building will be 77 meter. By this method you can find out the altitude of any places. Now the another use of barometer. Forecast of weather by using barometer. Generally we know that the atmospheric pressure decreases at the various time of the season and also in day due to the presence of water vapor. Water vapor is lighter than air, so when more amount of water vapor present in air, then the air becomes lighter and the atmospheric pressure decreases. But when the water vapor decreases, the density of air will be more and the atmospheric pressure will be more. First of all, a gradual fall of barometric height gives an indication of possible occurrence of rain. That means at that time the water vapor increases in our atmosphere and the air becomes lighter. That is why barometric height gradually decreases. A steady rise in barometer reading gives the indication of clear and fair weather. At that time the water vapor gradually decreases from the atmosphere, so the barometer reading gradually increases. But when sudden fall of barometer reading is an indication of arrival of storm with rain. Sudden fall of barometric reading that indicates that here a low pressure zone is created. So due to the low pressure zone, the storm arrive with rain. Again, a sudden rise in barometer reading is an indication of arrival of storm without rain. Here the barometer reading suddenly rises, that means that the high pressure zone is created. So for due to the high pressure zone, a storm also be created and but this storm will not be with rain. This is the use of barometer for weather forecasting, but only by the reading of barometer we can't give the forecast of the weather. Many factors are there with it. It will be considered before the forecast of weather, but one of them is the barometer reading. Thank you.